In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Tag Manager into your Webflow site effectively. This can be a great way to manage your tags and streamline your website's performance tracking. So, let's dive in. First, let's get Google Tag Manager set up and ready to go. Start by opening Google Tag Manager in your browser. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new account and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your account name. This is typically the name of your business or your organization, so make sure it's something that you and any team members can easily recognize. Alongside setting up your account name, you'll also need to set up your container. For the container name, type in the link of your site. When you are inputting the site link, remember to remove the HTTPS. That part isn't needed for this step. Next, you'll choose your target platform, which in this scenario is web. Once you've filled everything out, go ahead and click Create. You'll also have to accept the terms and services before moving on. Now, with your account and container all set, it's time to grab that all-important code. You should see a snippet of code on your screen. Go ahead and copy it. With that code copied, let's switch gears and head over to your Webflow dashboard. Inside Webflow, select the project you'd like to integrate with Google Tag Manager. This is where things get a little technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. You'll see 3 little dots next to your project name. Give them a click and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. In the project settings, find Custom Code on the sidebar and click into it. Now here's a key point. You'll need a plan that supports custom code integrations to actually use this feature. If you're on the free plan, the option might not appear, so it would be worth upgrading to access this tool. Assuming you have access, you'll see a field labeled Head Code. This is where our copied snippet from the Google Tag Manager will finally come in handy. Paste it right at the top of the field. With everything in place, you're almost there. The last thing you need to do is click Publish. Once you publish, your changes will go live, and just like that, you've successfully installed Google Tag Manager into your Webflow project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively streamline the tracking and management of your website's tags. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for your Webflow journey.